Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I've just had a delivery of my K&N air filter for my Jag. Again, it's a Jaguar Sport 2018 model 25T, which is 250 brake horsepower. This is the air filter just there, and the model is 33-3075. I will put the link of where to order this, UK only. I'm sure there'll be equivalents from around the world. It cost me £68 and it came literally within 2 days. And again, the beauty of this, getting it from knfilters.co.uk, obviously it's designed to increase horsepower, washable, reusable, designed to provide high airflow and exceptional filtration. It's got a 10-year limited warranty, and it states on the website that you only need to clean it every 50,000 miles, but I'm sure I'm going to actually double check every 10,000 just to be sure. So we're going to switch over to my car and I'm going to show you how easy it is to install this. And if you do like it, please subscribe. And if you've got any questions, just send me a direct message for any kind of instructional videos on the Jag, and I'll try and put them up. Intake. So once you lift the bonnet up, the air intake is just over to the right, over there, just there. So we're gonna remove this, take the standard air filter out, and we're going to replace it with the K&N air filter. And there's 7 screws. Most of them are quite easy to get to, except for the 2 in the back here, which are a little tricky, but you can get to if you've got the right flat screw head. Okay, let's get cracking. Okay, so what I've done so far is I've unscrewed the 7 screws on the air filter, and they don't come completely out, which is good. They hold in. Once you've unscrewed those, you've got enough movement to just lift the air filter cover off, and then just take the old one out. Let's pull that out. Just comes out, there we go. So there's the original. Now let's put the K&N filter in, or K&N. There we go. Compare them both. Don't know if you can see both. Let's chuck that in there carefully, like so. Right, there we go. Like so, and like so. Okay, that's in quite even. That was fairly easy. Okay. Okay, so she's in. And now we're going to screw everything back together. Just line up the screws. There we go. It's because it's got a better handle and a better grip. There we go. It's easier. So I'm going to screw these in. I did drop my the accessory under the engine, but luckily if you keep tapping it, there's a couple of holes there, and it actually managed to drop down onto the driveway, so I didn't have to unscrew anything. So this time I'm going to be a bit more careful when I'm screwing in, so I don't make the same mistake again. Okay, just have a quick check. The screws are all tight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, that looks good, and the cabling is all intact. Just double check everything I moved around is good. Okay, let's fire her up. Thanks for watching the video, guys, and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please subscribe or press the like button down below. Cheers.